the topic that I'm going to share is a product that is related to our hair or our hair care products. So this is one of the most requested products review or introduction for our Zoom meeting. So let me share my knowledge about all these Atomy products that we have on our Atomy shopping mall that talks about our hair products. So we have different product lines in our Atomy hair care products. So as you see on our screen, we have the first product launch. We have the Atomy Herbal Shampoo, Conditioner, and Herbal Treatment. We also have here the Atomy Absolute set. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and a treatment. We also have the Atomy Scalp Care 2 set with the shampoo and conditioner. We also have the Atomy Protein Intensive Shampoo Treatment and the Silk Protein Essence. And the latest one that we have is the Atomy Root Vital Shampoo. Plus, we have two additional products that could also help us take care of our hair, which is the Atomy Hair Essential Oil and the Atomy Sangmodan Hair Tonic.
Silk protein.
So, I will just discuss everything briefly so we can talk all about it. And maybe we have tried all the products. So later I will be asking you about your experiences and which product suits you the best. Because bakit po tayo madaming products dito? It is because madami pong may mga hair concerns and meron tayong pwedeng mix and match. Maybe this product is, this shampoo suits our hair and then this other conditioner on the other line is better for our hair, di po ba? So, let me share po something about these products and why is it one of the concerns of the Filipinos and not only the Filipinos but all people all over the world. So, did you know po that 4 out of 10 people with hair loss are in their 20s and 30s and women are twice as likely to experience it. So most of you po answered. So Ate Bebs and Miss Che and me as well, I've experienced hair loss at the early age at early 20s. Yeah, so early 20s. So like 4 out of 10 people. So how many have been experiencing this in their lifetime? And of course, it is one of the top one concerns if you would check it in the internet. Hair loss is really one. And hair loss refers to the absence or the thinning of hair in the areas where the hair should be present. So if you would notice po, maybe when you comb your hair, you would see a lot of hair on your hairbrush or on your hair comb. And then when you just um comb your hair using your fingertips, you would also see falling hair or even when you wash your hair. So in percentage of hair loss per gender, so this data I got it from the Atomy website. If you would like to explore the website, you will find the Mastage, the news. So it's another site of Atomy where they share information. So going back, so in percentages of hair loss, there's 54.6% male and 45.4% female. So, but most likely, they would really see the effect on women. And in men, I believe it is on a certain age. It will show on a certain age. So, aside from that, over the past 5 years, according to the statistics of disease and medical treatment in daily life by the Health Insurance Review, the number of patients with hair loss increased from 10%. So from 2018 to 2022. So it means over 10%. So a lot of people after 2 years have been experiencing hair loss already. So if we are at our 20s, around 19% of people, 30s, 22, and from 30s to 40s, it gets higher or it increases. So ano naman po yung connection ng ating mga Atomy hair care products? Because if you would look at the market, we have a lot of products. We have a lot of hair care products. And it is nice that when you do your research, you really research not only the quality of the products, but also the ingredients on the product. Since we have concerns to our hair. So aside from hair loss, we also have other concerns, dandruff, dry hair, oily hair, and damaged hair. Especially if you are the one who really likes to color your hair, have your hair treated, you always use blow dry, you always straighten your hair. So aside from that, you all go out, you have work in the fields, and then like what Diamond Master Paul said, the way he shampooed or take care of his hair before. So that can also be one of the reasons why he was experiencing hair loss. So if you have all these concerns, don't worry, because we have a bunch of Atomy products that can help you with your concern. So let's go with the first set of products. So the first set of products, the one that I've personally tried first was the Atomy Herbal Care Set. So the set comes with shampoo, conditioner, and treatment. So what is it about? What are the benefits we can get from this? So one thing that's nice about this product, because it is a product that is full of herbal extracts. It has 26 herbal extracts. And this product balances the moisture and the pH level of our hair. So before, I just heard the pH level in water and stuff like that, but it also is important pala in our hair. So it balances the oil, the strength, and strength of our roots, even the strands of our hair. And when you use the Atomy Herbal Shampoo, it supports the scalp hair and the hair growth. So if you have time, you can go to our shopping platform. You can thoroughly check each products one by one, and most of the products has a common denominator. And you will see their common denominator is supporting the cleanliness of our scalp, the strengthen or the roots, or strengthening the roots of our hair. And this product, if you would use it, it is recommended for individuals to those who have the normal to oily scalp, and to those who wants to have the extra volume on their hair. So personally, I've been experiencing a bad hair fall or hair loss every day, and would really complain to my parents about it. But then my dad said, "Oh, try Atomy Herbal Shampoo. It is known to help with hair growth. It will prevent you from help you prevent hair loss." And when I tried it, true enough, yes, it really helped my hair. And I've noticed my hair to become it became more soft. My scalp feels more cleaned, and every time I would brush my hair, it it's not tangled all the time. So if you are looking for a product to try first, you can try our Atomy Herbal Hair Shampoo. But if you want to upgrade, you can try the advanced formula of the Atomy Herbal Hair Shampoo, which is the Atomy Absolute Set. So in our Absolute Set, we have the shampoo, conditioner, and treatment. So it is enriched with the Himuhin ingredients. So aside from the 26 herbal extract on our herbal shampoo, so our shampoo in our Atomy Absolute, it is advanced. So the formulation is more advanced. There are more additional herbal extracts, and it helps in improving the blood circulation on our scalp. So when you take a shower, when you wash your hair, make sure that you use your fingertips and massage your hair and your head and your scalp thoroughly, nicely, so it would really improve and help in our blood circulation. So aside from that, it strengthens our hair follicles to reduce that hair fall. And if you are experiencing really massive hair loss or thinning of hair, you try our Atomy Absolute hair care set. So you have your shampoo, conditioner, and treatment. So when you shampoo your hair, you can shampoo your hair after shampooing your hair, you can use the conditioner. So you can leave it in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes, and after washing, you can use the Atomy treatment, the Atomy Absolute treatment. Same goes with the Atomy Herbal treatment. So let's go to the next set. So if your concern is for dandruff, itchiness, and dryness, let us use the Atomy Scalp Hair Shampoo. So this shampoo has has 3 natural blend herbs like the neem, arnica, and shi shika shikakayan. Okay. So these three ingredients has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It has antioxidant properties. It has that anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps improve blood circulation and hair follicles. It also has that natural cleanser or cleansing power, and it also helps prevent hair loss. So if you have a friend or if you experience dandruff and itchiness on your scalp, I would suggest that you use the Atomy Scalp Hair Care Set. So I've personally tried the conditioner. I haven't tried the shampoo yet. That's the one that I'm gonna try next. But the conditioner, it gives the effect really, it feels like you just finished a hot oil treatment. Well, everything is the same. You experience the same. But for me personally, I enjoy the effect of the Atomy Scalp Hair Conditioner. So, if you know someone who has a sensitive scalp and experiencing that dandruff, that hair concern that most of the people have, you recommend our Atomy Scalp Care Set. Next, there. If you're the type of person who is into hairstyling, you always have your hair ironed, blow dried, hair treatment, or hair colored. This one is for you. So most of the Atomians, they would say it will give you that salon kind of treatment if you use this one. It will return or it would give back the nourishment on your hair after each treatment. So we have the Atomy Intensive Shampoo, Atomy Protein Intensive Treatment, and after using that, you finish your hair care with the Atomy Silk Protein Hair Essence. So this one is for the individuals who have their hair treated, styled, and they really want to have that professional hair treatment level, but at home. So this is the product that you use. It is rich in plant proteins, amino acids, peptides, and it has that patented ingredients that can really help give that natural and healthy hair. So if you want to try this, some of the Tomyan's testimonies or feedbacks, it will give you that feeling of a little like po mainit. Yeah, mainit, medyo mainit daw po sa pakiramdam. Well, me personally, I haven't tried this shampoo and treatment yet, but I've tried the Silk Protein Essence and it's really good. You would see the ends of the hair not dry, it's less dry. So I used to bleach my hair and have it that colored. So when I learned that oh, the Atomy Silk Hair Protein Essence is good for people who had their hair colored or treated like mine. I had mine bleached. So it really has that effect on the ends. You won't see the dryness at the ends of your hair. So let's go to the next one. This is my current favorite. So this is recently launched in our Atomy global shopping platform. And you can avail this at Atomy at Agi Mall or Atomy Global Mall if you are residing in the Philippines. So this product is really created with technology, advanced technology, and absolute quality materials or ingredients. So it has that blend of natural ingredients. It has that patented technology that it really targets the roots of our hair. So if you are familiar with the technology of the Absolute Cell Active Skincare, think of it that our Atomy Root Vital Shampoo Hair Care Set is like that. So it um goes straight to the concern of our hair, and it really focuses in strengthening the roots of our hair to reduce that hair fall. So it also helps stimulate the hair growth, improve the hair density and the volume, and it nourishes the scalps and promotes a healthy hair environment for our hair and scalp. So if you would see po yan. So I just recently washed my hair with our Atomy Root Vital Hair Care Set, and so far I've been loving it. Aside that, I really see or notice uh the lessening of my hair fall, and I don't have to really wash my hair every day. And even though I don't wash my hair every day, I can really say that it's still soft. It is not tangled and it's still straight. It looks like I just went out in the salon. So aside that, if your concern is into hair loss and you want to have or you really want to have your hair grow, this is the product that you should try. Definitely you should try because there's a lot of benefits that you can get. And I noticed I have a lot of baby hair. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but every time I would look in the mirror, ang dami pong baby hair. There's a lot of baby hair here. So I can really say that it really promotes that hair growth. So if you're really looking for a product that nourishes your scalp, nourishes the roots of your hair, and really lessens the hair fall, one of the major concerns of each individuals, you should try our Atomy Root Vital Shampoo. So aside from that, you can use the Atomy Samudan Hair Tonic to massage on your scalp. So you after washing your hair, you spray it on your scalp and then massage it because this product helps us reduce our hair loss and it supports hair growth. And if you want to put natural oil, healthy oil on your hair to keep that shine, to reduce that dryness on your hair, you try our Atomy Hair Essential Oil. So when you use the Atomy Hair Essential Oil, you can apply it before or after styling your hair or after washing your hair. So after washing your hair, you towel dry your hair and then you apply our hair essential oil. So this is one of my favorite oil, and maybe one of your concern is, oh, I applied the oil and then I am out in the sun. So will it damage my hair? No, it won't damage your hair if you use Atomy Hair Essential Oil. So according to Charles Master Maria, she had that experiment where she tried to burn the Q-tip with the Atomy Hair Essential Oil and it didn't burn. So your hair is really safe when you use the Atomy Hair Essential Oil. So, another tip for how can we take care of our hair for it to look healthy and vibrant. So, you can do double cleansing. So, you can shampoo your hair and your scalp twice. And then, of course, you massage the scalp gently. Don't use your fingernails. You use your fingertips to massage. And then, use the conditioner only at the ends. Here, to the ends of your hair, not on your scalp. And if possible, let the air dry your hair. So use a towel to dry your hair and let us try to avoid using hair dryer. But if we cannot avoid, let us use the Atomy Hair Essential Oil and the Atomy Silk Protein Essence. And of course, for healthy hair, let us take care of our health. So you can try any product. So you can do trial and error, which one suits best for you. And I hope you learned something from my presentation. So thank you very much and make sure to look at the products in our Atomy Global shopping mall and add to cart and don't forget to check out. So that ends my presentation. Thank you, everyone. Ako din pala yung host. So, ayun po. So, that's my presentation about our hair care products. So, the floor is open for some sharing. What hair care product po do you like the best or which one suits you or match your preference? So, ako po, yan. Body hair shampoo and conditioner po yung akin before. And then when I learned about the Root Vital, I used the Root Vital. I've tried the Absolute shampoo. Shampoo. So my shampoo now is the Atomy Root Vital. My conditioner is the Atomy Absolute Conditioner. And my hair treatment is the Atomy Absolute Treatment. And then I have the Hair Essential Oil. So I use these four products. Yeah, now I use these four products po now. And so far, so good. Sabi nga po ni Ate Bebs kanina, ang ganda daw ng buhok ko pag nakalugay. Thank you.